Can overhearing indirect compliments alter children's behaviour? Have you ever felt pressured to perform better after overhearing how smart another student or colleague is? If so, you're not alone. Previous research has shown us that receiving direct compliments can negatively affect our behaviour. With children specifically, it has been observed that such compliments lead to challenge avoidance and having a poor tolerance of failure. As we experience direct and indirect compliments in our everyday life, it is important to understand the scope of these negative effects and any possible long-term consequences they may have. A study by Zhao and colleagues in 2018 focused on filling this gap in research by specifically focusing on the likelihood of preschoolers cheating on a guessing game after overhearing another student being praised. This study was conducted on 203 and 5-year-olds from a preschool in eastern China. The preschoolers completed a 6-trial card guessing game where they were required to guess correctly on 3 of 6 rounds to win a prize. There were 4 roles in this experiment: the previous preschooler, the experimenter, the current preschooler completing the guessing game, and an interrupter who administered the indirect compliment. The score was manipulated so that the preschooler had 2 correct guesses by trial 6, making the 6th trial the determining trial. Prior to the 6th trial occurring, the game was interrupted by another adult who either asked about the temperature, control condition, or complimented how smart the previous preschooler was, praise condition. The effects of these compliments were measured through whether the preschooler cheated on the last trial of the guessing game or not. The group of researchers knows that 68% of the 5-year-olds in the praise condition cheated, while only 40% cheated in the control condition. The cheating for 3-year-olds was mainly consistent between the two groups, with 40% of the praise condition cheating and 45% of the control group cheating. This indicates that indirect compliments negatively affect 5-year-olds significantly more than 3-year-olds. The researchers theorized that the difference in cheating is due to 5-year-olds being more cognitively developed, and that 3-year-olds are only sensitive to evaluations made directly about them. Additionally, a gender difference was identified between 5-year-olds in both praise and control conditions, with male cheating rates significantly higher. These results were consistent with levels of dishonesty in adult males, but further research will be needed to be completed to fully understand the cause of these differences. Furthermore, the results show that the negative effects of these indirect compliments can affect a multitude of behaviours. Understanding the impact that they can have on children is important, especially within educational settings where these compliments can become disruptive. Additionally, these results are beneficial for parents, teachers, and caregivers as it highlights the importance of limiting such compliments and the influence they have on their children's development and behaviours. Now, linking back to the question from the start of the video, we can now see why we feel pressure to perform better after overhearing how smart another student or colleague is, as it can be concluded that similarly, the indirect compliments negatively affect our behaviour.